Welcome back to the channel, folks. If, like me, you own a GS, then you are going to need these. This week we're going to be fitting the Avant Fender Extender and the MachineArt Moto Mudsling. Believe you me, you need these. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. So I got both the Avant Fender Extender and the MachineArt Mudsling in a combo package for £196 from Nippy Normans. In the MachineArt Mudsling kit comes the destructions, complete with all fixings, cable ties in this case, and the injection moulded mudsling itself. Fits like a glove. So the Avant Fender Extender. In the pack you get the destructions. The extender itself is all pre-moulded, fits like a glove, and is great quality. The kit comes with all the fixings that you will need. This is no drill assembly. The whole unit is held on with these clever clamping brackets. Everything is prefabricated, fits to a T. Just make sure you get the brackets round the right way. Literally takes minutes to fit. I've had these on my last two GS's. This being the third, it really is an essential bit of kit. Let's crack on. So here we go with the installation of the Fender Extender. Okay, what you need to do is nice and simple with this. Make sure it's spotlessly clean, and this bike is, for a change. Thanks to the Super Shield Automotive Paint Protection Kit. Links down below. Right, so with this one, as you can see, there's a little sort of slot cut in there that literally just clips over the tail part of the existing OEM fender. So it's just bosh in like that. That is literally it. Now you just need those little silver clips and they go in here. Just make sure that you get the right part. The hook there, that has to face inwards and grip on. Where is my screwdriver? What did I do with the screwdriver? Hang on. Whack that in. And then screw that in. T25. Just make sure that is nice and tight in there. Finger tight, as they say. And that is it. Repeat on the other side. Job done. Bosh. Nice and easy. Let's crack on and get the mudsling on. Next bit is the MachineArt Mudsling. Now this here, this takes care of this part here. So there's the stock sort of mudguard there, and you can see there's a massive gap there, and it allows crud to come up and get all in the shock here. And all the mudsling does is that basically just fills the gap. As you can see, there's a slit cut here, and all you do is you slide this down in here, down there, and then back up, and the tail of the existing fin that slides in here, and then it's just cable ties around your bars, believe it or not. That's all it is cable ties that holds it in. It's a really nice slick system, takes 2 minutes to do. Let's crack on. So we just slide that in, slide it down, and there's the tail section. There we go. Just a bit of gentle persuasion. And then it's cable tied here, here, and the same on the other side. It's just like this. So you want to try and make sure, well, you want to make sure with the cable ties, obviously the head part is on the inside there, because you're going to cut these. So you're not going to make that super tight yet, because you want to make sure everything is located first before you tighten everything up. I have really shaky hands. You'd never think I used to carry a gun for a living. Okay, so that one's in there. And then I'll just pop and do the ones on the other side. Nice and tight. Nice and tidy. And that is that. This light is about 8 million degrees. Same one I use in a podcast. God, it just cooks you. But anyway, that's it. Let's have a chat. honestly folks, apart from the paint protection stuff, the fender, if you've got a GS, The Fender Extender and the Mudsling are my top priorities. Probably even before I put rad guards on them, if you don't get them. The rad guards come with the Rallye, thankfully. But the Fender Extender stops all the crud coming up against the headers and up against the front bash plate of the engine, and the Mudsling just stops all that crud getting into the shock. If you can, I'd also grab, I haven't got one, but grab one of the shock tube. I think R&G stock them in a few other places. I got the Avant Fender Extender and the MachineArt Moto Mudsling, both from Nippy Normans. They are pretty much the gospel, the Bible, if you own a GS in the UK. For both of them, I got it for £196, including a delivery. Sounds a lot of money for 2 bits of plastic, but welcome to the world of BMWs, and it is honestly a good investment. Right folks, you saw how easy that was to fit. All in all, will probably take you 10 minutes to do both of them. Like I said, well worth doing. What do you think of this new series? Any good? Let me know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't liked it, give me a thumbs down. And again, tell me in the comments, let me know what's going on. Thank you so much to all of you that have hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, smash the subscribe button down below. Remember to ding dong that bell. It helps me out massively. If you're in the clan, thank you so much for going that extra mile. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you. All right, folks, keep on doing your thing. Keep looking after those that you love. But most importantly, live your life. Woo-ha! Check out the shirts and the merchandise.